Alright, what's going on my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry Z. Welcome to my channel, Buying the Dip. Alright guys, and in today's video we're going to get into how much money or how many stocks does it take to get $100 a month in dividend payouts, or basically $300 a month, $300 in a quarterly. So that's what we're going to get into today. How much money and how many shares does it take? But before we get into that, I want to say thanks to my man Jerry, my buddy JD. Use my link down below in the description. Got himself a free stock, and I'm going to open up my free stock right now. So let's go ahead and claim this baby. Thanks again, JD. I really appreciate it. We get to pick a card here. See what we get. Cleveland Cliffs worth $5.56. I'll take it. That's a free $5 and some. Good deal. Thank you, JD. I really appreciate it, buddy. That's pretty cool. Let's see, I already did that. Did he give me another one? Did he get it twice? No. Okay. It already did it. So we already got it claimed. And it's already there. Cool. Okay. So let's get into today's video. As you can see, that money already went right into my account. Jumped up $5.50 some cents right there. So, alright. So let's get in here to it. I got 4 stocks that I think is pretty good on the dividends. We're going to start out here with the first stock. First stock is going to be Ally Bank. If you don't know what Ally Bank is, they are basically an online bank only. They do not have any brick and mortar locations, so you just open up your account online. They'll mail you or email you all your paperwork. You can sign, through electronically. Boom, done. You don't have to go in and wait. And basically, as you know, I think this is a good stock because I believe brick and mortar banks are disappearing. I actually worked for a brick and mortar bank for almost 18 years, and I can say that over the years they have cut staff, they have cut out departments, and they have cut down on locations. So the online bank is really putting a hurting onto the brick and mortar locations, and I think this online bank has good potential, and I think your money is safe with an online bank. Okay, so let's get in here to it. Ally Bank is currently, when I was getting my math up, it was $21.16 a share. And as you can see down here, pays a 3.7% dividend yield, and you get 76 cents a year total. And as you can see down here below, 19 cents every quarter is paid. So if we go over here to our calculator and we do the 0.19, I'm sorry, we want to do $300 because that's going to be every quarter when this is paid out, divided by the 0.19, 300 divided by .19. There we go. So it's basically 1,579 shares. So then if we take 1,579 shares times the 19 cents, 0.19, $300.01. So that's how much it would take. Basically 1,500 to get you over. Basically that's $300 every quarter, so every 3 months. Divide that by 3, it's $100 a month. So then if you take the next part of the math is $21.16 a share times the 1,579 shares, it's going to cost you $33,411 and change in order to get $100 a month in dividends through Ally Bank. But it's still 3.7% interest rate, so not bad. You can't get that at any local bank around in your area. So the next stock as we get into here is going to be a little better. It's not going to cost you as much money. So let's get in here to it. The next stock we're going to get into is Verizon, guys. I don't think I really need to explain what Verizon is, but phone company, TV company, internet company, you know, everyone knows what Verizon is. Current share price when I did this, when I was getting my information, was $57.85 a share. They pay 4.25 dividend yield, and yearly you will get $2.46 a share in payouts. Every quarter they pay out basically 61 cents in interest. So let's go here to our calculator, and if we do $300 divided by the dividend share of 61 cents, 0.61 equals, basically is going to be 492 shares. So then if we take 492 shares times the 61 cents, $300.12. So then if we take now, so you do get your $300 a quarter, $100 a month. So then if we take 492 shares and times it by the share price of $57.85, this stock is basically going to cost you $28,462. So that's how much money you would need in Verizon to be able to get $100 a month in dividends, or basically $300 every quarter when the dividends are paid out. All right, so let's get in here to our next stock, which is going to be a very popular one. Of course, it's AT&T, ticker symbol T. Their dividend yield is 6.93. For every share you own yearly, you will get $2.08. Every quarter you will get 52 cents. So let's go to our calculator here. Clear it out. So basically we're going to take the $300 and divide it by the 52 cents. So it's basically going to be 577 shares is what you need. So if you do 577 times the 52 cents, $300.04. Perfect. So you get your $300 a quarter / $100 a month. Then if we take 577 shares times the share price of 29.84, this stock is getting a little bit into reach. It's only going to cost you $17,217 and change in order to receive $100 a month in dividends, or basically $300 every quarter on your money. But this next stock, I don't see anyone talking about this stock, and I think this is going to be the game changer for possibly a growth stock / dividend stock. And we're going to get right into it. Iron Mountain, guys, that's right. Iron Mountain it is. Iron Mountain is, if you don't know what they are, the reason I heard of this stock is because this company actually they were contracted and paid by our bank I worked at, and they do storage for like your paperwork, and they also do digital storage. They do your shred. They shred up all your documents. So for a bank, that's very important, whether you're brick and mortar or online banking. This place is really good. So they do storage of paper and they do digital storage. So this is an all-around business. It don't matter what your business is, they can store your documents for you, whether they're on paper or on digital. So I highly recommend you picking up a couple of these stocks. Let's get in here to it. Look at this dividend yield, 8.57% yearly. For every stock, you're going to get $2.47 a share, and the price is only $29. Now, when I was doing my math on this, the stock price was only $29.13. So let's go to our calculator. Iron Mountain, guys, I recommend to go pick them up. So if we do the $300 divided by the 61 cents that gets paid out every quarter. 300 divided by 0.61 Yeah, it's going to be basically 492 shares. So if you do 492 shares times the 0.61 cents in interest, $300.12. Perfect. So we got our $100 a month slash $300 every quarter. Now, if we take 492 shares times the share price of $29.13, $14,331. It's getting a little bit in reach. So from the first stock of being $33,000 down to the last stock of $14,000, I really think Iron Mountain is in with reach of people to be able to get it. So I think Iron Mountain is going to be, you can pick up a little bit of each stock, that way you're safe, you have diversification in your portfolio. But I have a couple shares of Iron Mountain, and I'll be happy to collect that dividend every 3 months. As you can see, it raises, it always goes up, it never goes down. They pay their dividends all the time, so that's a really good thing. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Really appreciate it. Like I said, please leave a like on the video if you like it. Comment down below, it really helps out the channel. So alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one, and remember, buy the dip.